After ads, transaction fees, shipping, and discounts, the first sale almost never makes you money. So, how do smart e commerce brands keep scaling without burning cash? They don't just track sales, they track customer lifetime value. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, why it's the most important metric in your store, and how you can use tools like Fluent Cart to maximize it with proven strategies. Customer lifetime value, or CLV, is the total amount of money a customer spends with your business during their entire relationship with your store. Not just one order, not just this month, their entire relationship with your brand. Imagine you run an online skincare store. A customer finds you through an Instagram ad and buys a $40 face wash. That's one sale. But then she comes back next month and grabs a $60 moisturizer. Then she subscribes to your monthly bundle for $35 a month. She refers to two friends. Then buys your limited edition holiday kit. By the end of year one, that one customer has spent over $500 with you. That's customer lifetime value. And that's the lens that changes how smart brands make every single business decision. Here's why customer lifetime value changes everything. Let's say you spend $30 to acquire a customer. If that customer only buys a $25 product, you're losing money. But if that same customer spends $500 over the next 6 months, that $30 acquisition cost suddenly makes more sense. This is why smart e commerce brands scale faster. They don't just look at the first purchase, they look at the full customer journey. Now, let's get practical, because knowing CLV doesn't help unless you actually track it. And this is exactly where most WordPress store owners hit a wall. The plugin they're using gives them a list of orders, maybe a revenue total, but nothing tells them what an individual customer is actually worth over time. That's one of the things I genuinely love about Fluent Cart. Fluent Cart is a next generation e commerce plugin for WordPress, and it has customer lifetime value tracking built right in, not as some heavy extension you have to pay extra for. If you open the Customers tab, you can readily see all the data you need at a glance. Every customer gets a rich profile, and when you open their profile, the details get much clearer. Their full purchase history, billing details, everything in one place. This is where CLV stops being theory and becomes something you can actually act on. All right, now you know what CLV is. So, how do top online stores actually increase it? There are only three ways to increase CLV: get customers to spend more per order, get them to buy more often, or keep them buying for longer. Every strategy we're about to cover connects to one of these three levers. Strategy number one: subscriptions. This is the single biggest lever for CLV. A customer who buys once might be worth $60. A customer on a monthly subscription, they could be worth $720 a year without you spending another dollar on acquisitions. Subscriptions increase predictability, and with the right retention strategy, they can dramatically boost lifetime value. Fluent Cart has full subscription management built in. You can set up monthly or annual plans, offer free trials, all inside your WordPress dashboard. If you're not offering a subscription option right now, this is literally leaving recurring revenue on the table every single day. Strategy number two: order bumps and smart upsells at checkout. Order bumps are small, relevant add ons offered right at checkout, and they're one of the easiest ways to increase average order value without any extra marketing cost. Fluent Cart has order bumps built right into its checkout flow. You can offer a relevant add on, a setup fee for service, or a complimentary product right before the customer clicks complete purchase. And because Fluent Cart's checkout is optimized to be lightning fast and frictionless, customers actually see and act on these offers instead of abandoning the cart. Higher average order value means higher CLV. It's that simple. Strategy number three: licensing and upgrade paths for digital products. If you sell digital products, softwares, plugins, templates, or courses, there is a CLV strategy specifically for you, and most digital sellers completely underutilize this. It's called the upgrade path. You sell a customer a starter license. They love it, they use it, they grow. Now you offer them a professional license with more features, more sites, more power. They upgrade. Each upgrade is a new revenue event from the same customer without any acquisition cost. Fluent Cart has this built in natively. You can set up licensing with automatic key generation, define upgrade paths right inside the dashboard, so each upgrade becomes a natural next step in the customer journey. And here's a bonus. Fluent Cart auto-generates license keys the moment an order completes. Your customer gets instant access, you get a satisfied buyer, and that satisfaction is the foundation of a long-term relationship. Strategy number 4. Smart customer segmentation with CRM integration. Not all customers are created equal. You've got one-time buyers, occasional shoppers, and then your VIPs, the people who buy everything you launch and tell their friends about you. The mistake most store owners make? Treating them all the same. If you send the same email to someone who just bought 3 months ago and to your customer who spent $1,000 with you, you're leaving a ton of value on the table. This is where Fluent Cart's integration with Fluent CRM becomes a game changer. When a customer purchases something in Fluent Cart, your purchase data flows directly into your CRM. You can segment customers by how much they've spent, what they've bought, and when they last ordered, and send targeted campaigns that actually feel personal. Then, you can send your VIPs an exclusive early access offer and even craft an onboarding sequence for first time buyers that educates them on your products. That's how personalized marketing drives repeat purchases, and repeat purchases drive CLV. This is how the pros do it. Here's the bottom line. In modern e commerce, the winners are not the ones who sell the most, they're the ones who keep customers the longest. The e commerce brands scaling smartly have figured it out. They stop chasing one time sales and start building long term customer relationships that compound. And when you connect that thinking with tools like Fluent Cart and Fluent CRM, something powerful happens. Your store stops reacting and starts growing automatically. Find your best customers, build better offers, and scale smarter. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to WPManageNinja. And tell us in the comments, are you tracking customer lifetime value in your store yet? And if you're ready to sell smarter inside WordPress, check out Fluent Cart from the link in the description. I'll catch you in the next one.